CS3, we are having two different types of software. One is the Adobe Flash CS3 and the second one is the Macromedia Flash CS3. You can simply download it from the Google. You can have, if you have internet at your home, so you can simply download it on your computer system. Okay, so I have downloaded Macromedia Flash CS3 on my system. You can see we are having Macromedia Flash CS3 window over here. At the top we can see that this is the timeline area where we can see the number of frames, like 1 till it's going up, like 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then if you want to add the keyframe, you can simply press F6, or for the frame you can simply press F5. But moreover, if you want to insert the frame and the keyframe, there are these tabs where you can insert it. Like simply I can go to the insert option, and then we have timeline option, and under the timeline option we are having frame and keyframe option. Okay, now I'm going to start how can we create animation by using the frame by frame animation. So here I'm going to draw an object. Like I'm going to simply click on the oval tool, and that oval tool is having by default stroke color and the fill color. So if you want to change the stroke color, you can simply change it from here, as we already done it in our previous chapter as well. Okay, then you have to just draw the object over here. So I'm going to draw it over here, and I'm going to make it smaller like that. Okay, then next step, after drawing the any shape on the stage, the second step is you can simply choose the frame number, as we have already choose the frame 1, and after that one you can simply insert the keyframe. Okay, so I have inserted a keyframe with it. So what are the steps for the frame by frame animation? You can have to simply adding the frame with the keyframe as well, and then you can see that your object will be moving from one position to another position. So you can see I'm going to first of all I'm going to convert my object into symbol. I'm going to simply select it. After selecting, you can simply right click the object, and then you can see we are having convert to symbol option, or otherwise you can go to the modify option, and under the modify option we can have convert to symbol option. So after that one we can see we are having graphic option, and here you can just change the name of the symbol, and I'm going to write it over here circle. Okay, and then press OK. So you can see our object is converted into the symbol. So it's very easy. When I'm going to work with the symbol, I can easily move my object. See, I can easily rotate it, I can easily resize it. Okay, next because I'm going to use frame by frame option, so I am just going to change the position of the object, and then I will insert the more frame over here. So I'm going to select next frame like that. Just press the F5, or otherwise I'm going to insert the frame like that. Okay, and with it you have to insert the keyframe like this. Okay, you can add more frame and keyframe. The basic thing is, in frame by frame animation you can have different option for adding the frame and the keyframe by pressing F5 or F6, or by going to the insert option. Okay, when I'm working with frame by frame animation, you can move the object from one position to another position. You have to move your object from left side to the right side. When you are going to move it to the right side, you can change its color as well, as I have done it. Okay, next I'm going to add more frame. Just select the frame number. I have select 10, and then go to the timeline and then press the frame option. With it I'm going to add the keyframe as well. Okay, then again move your object. Okay, and after selecting that one, you can simply change the stroke color and you can simply change the fill color as well. And with that, I'm going to add more frame over there. So the procedure is very simple. You can simply select the frame number and then keep pressing F5 or F6 for adding frames and the keyframe. Here I have inserted 4 keyframe with the number of the frames as well. So the basic purpose is we are going to create the animation, and in animation we are supposed to move our object from one position to another position. So it's very clear like that, and then I'm going to add more frames over here and then the keyframe as well. Okay, insert timeline and keyframe. Okay, so I have inserted one more frame and one more keyframe over there. For playing your movie, you can simply go to the control option and the play option, or otherwise you can simply press the enter button as well. When you are going to click on the play option, you can see as the number of frame is moving from 1 to 20, you can see your object will also move. I'm going to do it again, play, and you can see it's moving from one position to another position. So by the